friends, welcome back. This is Emmanuel Mendu. So in this video, I will be showing you how to use selected list or a drop-down list in the Razor pages. Okay, let's create a new project. So I'll be using Razor pages as our sample projects we are using. I'll use form fields, go drop-down list. Okay, just create the project as is. So once you create a project, so we directly go to our index page and add one selected list. Um, so first I'll start with form, and I will have a button like my previous video, submit button, just to see how we retrieve the drop down selected item. So method post. So now I will add a select item, select a HTML tag with some name, selected I selected ID, let's say. Okay, and inside that we need to add options. So you can have like choose your gender, let's say. Okay, let me add two more options, male, female. So let's see how this looks in the UI. Okay, let me run this project. So it says choose your gender as a drop down, and I can choose male or female like that, and click submit button. Okay, so this is how you can add as a static variable. I mean static options in the CSHTML itself, or if you want to bring this information from the .cs, I will show you in a minute. So for the post method, let me add a handler. So I'll copy paste on get and I'll say on post, and as a parameter I will retrieve the string or int, let's say string selected ID. Okay, let me put a breakpoint here. Let's see what what we get in the selected ID when I select male and submit. So once you go and see, you will see male. That's why I put as a string, because I did not add anything as a value. So let's go back to our code. This time what I will do, I'll say value 1 to our male option and value 2 to our female option. This time we can go and make it as an integer, the selected item. Because all the values are integer. So if I go and change male, so it says 1. That makes sense, right? So now currently, as my previous videos, I show you a static and from the .cs code. So in the .cs, let's go ahead and create a property with a list of select list items. So I'll just say gender options for this one. So, and also I will move this selected ID to our property world. So that will be it, and this will be blind property. I want to know after say submit what that they have selected. I will remove this one from here. So in order to create a list, so I will say new list, and I will add male as one. So let me copy another one. Let so this time I will be binding this. So I will comment this one, and I will use SP items. So model dot, you have gender options. You can use this one. So when you run this time, so the options should be populated from our .cs, or whatever you get from the database, you can use that, or other sources you can use. So when I click on submit, this should functional as is, because that's a selected value, selected whatever I selected. Um, it appears that one. Let's see. So this is we need to reset the options. I can show you that one in our next videos. So when you click select female, the selected ID is 2. So you can save it or you can retrieve it. Um, this is how you statically add the options, or you can pull out from the .cs the options. Um, so let me know if you have any questions on this. I'll be showing you more like on the validations of all controls in the next upcoming videos. Um, Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.